This is the elevator at the brand new St. Armands Key parking garage in Sarasota, Florida. We've got a Kone.
Going up.
Let's go at 3.
Third floor.
It's got the voice.
Going down.
It's actually a really fast door. So here's a little look. I didn't realize the garage was actually only 3 floors. Or that might count as a 4th, I don't know. Let's get a little bit of a view. Yeah, technically this garage, I think that's another level, so I guess this technically does have 4 floors. But this one only goes to 3 because there's no level above this one. There may be another elevator here.
Going down.
Who knows? And I like that voice. Let's stop at 2 and get a look at the intermediate call station. Here's your cab view. It's got a stainless steel cab.
Second floor.
And the doors are really fast. So, here's the call station.
Going down.
Let's go to 1. So here's what it says. By the way, I'm actually here on a Sunday. Parking here is free. Parking.
Going up.
Yeah. Parking here is free on Sundays. So, yeah, with that being said, there it goes. And that'll be it.